When you search for portable washing machines, everything looks the exact same. Same foldable designs, same 16-liter claims, same vague promises about deep cleaning. But if you've ever actually tried one, you know the real differences aren't in the photos. They're in how they perform when your socks smell like a gym and your apartment has no laundry room. Product number 1, Minwak 16L Foldable Washer. Let's start with the Minwak 16L. This green little cube caught my eye because it's one of the lightest on the market at just 3.9 pounds. Priced at $63.27, it's positioned as a budget-friendly option for travelers and students. If you want something you can literally throw in a backpack and forget about until laundry day, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. That 16-liter capacity sounds small, but it's actually enough for a few days' worth of underwear, socks, or baby clothes. The 3 wash modes, 3, 5, and 10 minutes, let you customize based on how dirty things are. The 10-minute cycle uses an upgraded motor that agitates tough stains without shredding delicate fabrics. Plus, at 45 decibels, it's quieter than most conversations, so you can run it at 2 a.m. in a dorm without getting side-eyed by your roommate. Over 300 people bought this in the past month, and while there are no reviews yet, the specs suggest solid engineering. Now, some people might complain about the lack of a spin-dry function, and that's fair. You'll still need to wring out clothes by hand or hang them up damp. Here's the thing though, for the price and portability, that trade-off makes sense. This isn't meant to replace a full washer. It's for emergencies, travel, or tiny spaces where every inch counts. This is perfect for you if you're a college student, frequent camper, or live in a micro apartment. Skip this one if you need to wash full outfits or want automatic drying. For under $65, it delivers solid value for what it's built to do. Product number 2, YMXA Mini Laundry Machine. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for hygiene-focused users, the YMXA Mini Laundry Machine. At $76.08, it's slightly pricier, but it comes with a front-loading stainless steel drum and vibration reduction tech. If you want a machine that feels more like a real washer and less like a toy, this is the one. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Front-loading means easier access for smaller items like baby onesies or delicate lingerie. The stainless steel interior resists odors and mold, something plastic tubs struggle with over time. It also includes a spin function, which the Minwak lacks, so your clothes come out significantly drier. The 16L capacity handles multiple small loads, and the energy-efficient design uses less water per cycle than hand-washing multiple times. With 200+ recent buyers, it's clearly resonating with people who want reliability without installation hassle. Now, some people complained about the folding mechanism feeling flimsy after repeated use. Here's the thing though, if you're not tossing it into a backpack daily and mostly using it in one spot like an RV or dorm corner, it holds up fine. The vibration reduction helps keep noise down, but it's not silent. Expect a low hum during the spin cycle. This is perfect for you if you prioritize cleanliness, want faster drying, and don't mind paying a bit more for durability. Skip this one if you need ultra-quiet operation or plan to move it constantly. It's a step up in build quality, and that shows in the price. Product number 3, BNCHRY Foldable Washer and Dryer. Now, if YMXA's front-load design felt too bulky, this next one takes a completely different approach, the BNCHRY Foldable Washer. At just $60.87, it's the cheapest on this list, and it weighs only 3.5 pounds. What stands out immediately is the food-grade silicone and TPE construction, materials usually found in baby bottles, not laundry machines. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're washing baby clothes, diapers, or sensitive skin items, you don't want chemical residues or plastic off-gassing. The 3 timer modes 3, 5, 10 minutes give you control, and the foldable design shrinks down to just 6 inches tall, perfect for tucking under a bed. It doesn't have a dedicated spin cycle, but the agitation is strong enough to get clothes clean, and the lightweight build makes it ideal for travel. Over 200 units sold recently show people are trusting it for daily use. Now, some buyers mentioned the lack of a drain hose. You have to manually pour out water, which gets old fast if you're doing multiple loads. Here's the thing though, For occasional use or single-person households, it's not a deal breaker. And honestly, at this price, you're paying for simplicity, not luxury features. This is perfect for you if you're on a tight budget, live in a tiny space, or need a backup washer for delicates. Skip this one if you hate manual water disposal or need heavy-duty cleaning. For under $61, it's a no-frills workhorse. Product number 4, Giantex Twin Tub Washer. Alright, that was a solid compact option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for anyone doing real laundry, the Giantex Twin Tub. At $172.49, it's the most expensive here, but it's also the only one with a true twin tub design, 12 pounds washing, 8 pounds spinning. This isn't a mini washer, it's a serious compact machine. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're in an RV, small apartment, or off-grid cabin, this can handle jeans, towels, and light jackets, not just socks and underwear. The 300W wash motor and 110W spin motor give it real power, and the 15-minute wash plus 5-minute spin cycle mimics a traditional machine. It's still portable at 37 pounds, and the painted steel body feels durable. Now, some users complained about the assembly. It doesn't come fully put together and the instructions aren't great. Here's the thing though, once it's set up, it's rock solid. And unlike the others, it has a filter net and cover plate to prevent clothes from flying out during the spin. That attention to detail shows it's built for real use, not just travel. This is perfect for you if you need to wash full loads and want something that lasts years. Skip this one if you move frequently or have very limited space. It's an investment, but for the capacity and function, it's worth it. Product number 5, Freesinger Blue Light Washer. Now, if Giantex's size intimidated you, this next one brings innovation back to the compact category, the Freesinger with blue light sanitization. At $65.94, it's mid-range, but the UVC blue light feature sets it apart. It claims to kill bacteria and odors, which is huge for baby clothes or gym wear. The blue light adds a sanitizing layer without chemicals, great for sensitive skin or post-illness laundry. It still has the 16L capacity, 3 timer modes, and folds down to 6 inches. At 3.6 pounds, it's lighter than it looks, and the front-load design makes loading small items easier. The TPE food-grade material ensures safety, and 50-plus recent buyers suggest it's gaining traction. Here's the thing though, even if it's only partially effective, it doesn't hurt and the rest of the machine performs well. The lack of a spin dryer is still a miss, but the gentle cycles protect fabrics better than most. This is perfect for you if you want extra hygiene without chemicals or have a newborn at home. Skip this one if you're skeptical of unverified tech or need faster drying. For the price, it's a smart blend of innovation and practicality. So which one should you pick? The Minwok is great for travelers on a budget. The YMXA adds spin power and durability. The BENCHRY wins on price and safety. The Giantex is the only real laundry machine here, and the Freesinger brings sanitization to the mix. There's no single best, only the right fit for your life. Drop your situation in the comments and I'll help you choose.